Good morning, students. Welcome back to chemistry classroom once again. Today I will discuss the pollution of air. So look at your book. Air pollutants. In urban and industrial areas, the air contains substances that are harmful to us and our environment. Such air is said to be polluted, and the harmful substances present in the air are known as air pollutants. So those harmful substances basically present in the air and these are harmful to us. They are known as air pollutants. The common pollutants of air are oxides of sulfur, collectively represented as SOx. It may be vary, SO2, SO3. They come from volcanic eruption and the burning of sulfur and sulfide minerals. So student, you have to learn the occurrence of the oxides of sulfur. Basically, volcanic eruption and the burning of sulfur. Oxides of nitrogen. Nitrogen oxide and nitrogen dioxide collectively represented as NOx. It may be varying. They come from the combustion of fossil fuels. So when we burn any fossil fuel like petrol, diesel, kerosene and coal, basically nitrogen oxide and nitrogen dioxide just come out from them. Dust and soot, collectively known as suspended particulate matter SPM. So अच्छे से याद करना, dust and soot collectively known as SPM. Soot is unburned particles from fuels which gives smoke its color. Normally soot is unburned particles, मतलब हम लोग जब fuel को burn करेंगे, which portion is basically not unburned, that is known as the soot, which just give out smoke its color. Besides, there can be small quantities of carbon monoxide formed by the incomplete combustion of carbon containing fuels and hydrogen sulfide resulting from biodegradation. Next, acid rain. The oxides of sulfur and nitrogen present as pollutants in the air react with the water present in the atmosphere to form acids. So basically, oxides of sulfur and nitrogen which are present in the air react with water and produce or form acids. These acids come down with rain, making the rainwater significantly acidic. So that due to the presence of acid, the rainwater is acidic. Such rain is known as acid rain. So the main composition of acid rain is oxides of sulfur and nitrogen, which are present inside the air, react with water to form acid. And this kind of acid when mixed up with rain and fall down as a acid rain. This acid found in acid rain are formed as follows. Sulfur dioxide plus oxygen shoot and mineral particles as a catalyst. सल्फर ट्राइऑक्साइड, उसी के साथ वाटर ऐड होने के बाद फॉर्म हो रहा है सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. सेम वे नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड और नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड प्लस ऑक्सीजन नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड, उसी के साथ वाटर फॉर्म होने के बाद फॉर्म हो रहा है नाइट्रिक एसिड प्लस नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड. In some industrial areas, hydrogen chloride gas is present in the air as a pollutant. It dissolves in water to form hydrochloric acid, which also come down with the rain. So as a industrial place, basically urban areas or cities areas, there are lots of factories. In the air, hydrogen chloride gas is present there and mix up with water to form hydrochloric acid. Effects of acid rain. The water of lakes and rivers become acidic, thus unsuitable for aquatic plants and animals. The soil becomes acidic and therefore unsuitable for cultivation. So due to the acid rain, soil becomes more acidic and it is not good for the cultivation of crops. Sculptures, monuments, and buildings are eroded. Damage to sculpture and monuments. Sculptures and monuments are generally made of valuable stones like marble. So basically, the main composition of sculptures and monuments is marble, that is calcium carbonate. Marble, limestone, slate, and also the mortar used contain calcium carbonate. A carbonate react with acid to give carbon dioxide. So basically, marble react with acid to form carbon dioxide. A salt of calcium is also formed along with the salt form being soluble in water, gets washed away by the rain but adversely affect the sculpture or the monument. मतलब after the reaction of the calcium salt with water, that is soluble in water, that's why it is easily gets washed away by the rain but adversely react or adversely affect the sculpture or monuments. Thus acid rain poses a great problem, and with increasing industrialization, the entire world is facing the problem today. The Taj Mahal, built in the 17th century at Agra, is made of white marble and is losing its sheen due to the acid rain. Thousands of industrial units, including the oil refinery at Mathura, are considered to have caused acid rain. Hence, the anti-pollution laws are being strictly enforced in this area. The following important steps have been taken in this regard. So, कुछ step लिया गया है to prevent the acid rain. These are: a large number of industries have been shifted away from the vicinity. मतलब जहाँ पे ऐसे कोई स्कल्पचर और मोनूमेंट हो वहाँ से बहुत दूरी में इंडस्ट्री बनाया जा सकता है. No vehicles are allowed within half of kilometer of the premises. Premises के आसपास हाफ किलोमीटर के अंदर कोई vehicles allowed नहीं है. It has been made mandatory for an industrial unit to release the waste gases into the atmosphere only after being treated for acidic gases. मतलब नॉर्मली फैक्ट्रीज या इंडस्ट्रीज से जो वेस्ट गैसेस एटमॉस्फेयर में मिलता है उसको पहले एसिडिक गैसेस में ट्रीटेड करने के बाद ही रिलीज करने का परमिशन मिला है. इन अदर वर्ड्स द फ्लू गैसेस coming out of the chimney must not contain any acid component like sulfur oxide and nitrogen oxide. So student, this portion is too easy. I hope all of you understood. So for today, up to this portion, in the next class, I will discuss the exercise of this chapter.